All right, you guys, it's like 3 p.m. right now. My shoot is in like 2.5 hours, so I just wanted to give y'all an update on what my hair is looking like. I actually woke up around like 10, 11. Took my hair out of the ponytail. When I woke up, I actually took my hair out of the ponytail, and this is what the results were. The product has definitely set in really well into my hair, and it is in its natural, like this is just more natural state for me, like that really fluffy, soft feeling. I will not have to do a twist out. So I'm actually a little excited about that because now I can just focus on my makeup. When I don't do a twist out, it just looks like an afro, like the picture I showed y'all. But I actually like it, and I'll show y'all what it looks like, the whole look, the whole face and the hair once I finish my makeup. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I am back with the finished product of the hair and the face. Everything came out really good. I am very excited and satisfied with the look. Like I said, I wanted to go pretty natural, not too crazy. I got one earring on, y'all. This what happens. I believe my earrings be coming out when I sleep. I always lose my earrings in my sleep. But it's probably in, I probably just gotta go look for it. But anyway, aside from that, I could fix that. I'm probably gonna put some different earrings on anyway. But yes, y'all, this is the look. This is the face. It's so pretty. I went really neutral, but added a little shimmer. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Not too much. This is the look. Stay tuned for the pictures because I'm probably gonna post them on my page. Maybe give y'all like a whole behind the scenes look of how everything went. But this is the first part of behind the scenes. Well, second, hair was first, now it's makeup. But yep, your girl's face is all done. Very soft, yet still give off that soft glam look that I like. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and pack my model bag and get my shoes, and yeah. And it's not hot outside, so I might just throw something on until I get there. So I will see y'all later. Alright, you guys, I am all done. I'm all ready. Hair and makeup look really good. My bag is packed, everything is ready. I did want to show y'all one of these new makeup bags I found. This is just like after I do my full face, this is just what I take with me. And it says it says may your foundation match your neck. I just wanna make sure y'all know your girl neck always match, okay? And if you don't, slap me when you see me. Okay? If you ever see my foundation not matching my neck, come up to me personally and tell me. Don't just have me walking around thinking I'm hot or I'm the baddest thing in the room. I'm everything all good, but the foundation don't match the neck. Don't do that. And if you see it, it's 2022. Public service announcement. Public service announcement. It is 2022, you guys. So let me be the first to just say, if y'all see anybody walking around with the wrong foundation and they face don't match their neck, I need you to let them know. Don't just take a picture. Don't just go recording the video, putting it on blast, posting it on your story, posting it on your Facebook. Walk your butt over there and tell that lady. Tell that young lady her foundation ain't matching her neck. Go tell her, okay? Don't just record a video and send it to your friends, put it in the group chat. Better go let her know. It's time out for that. Yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason that the foundation ain't matching the neck. Cause ain't nobody letting her know. Now, if you really, fellas, if y'all really love y'all black women the way y'all say, and y'all be the main one now, y'all be the main ones recording videos and posting pictures and telling everybody, but you ain't let that black sister that you love so much, you didn't let her know her foundation wasn't matching her neck. So I don't think you love her the way you say you do. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. It's 2022, y'all. I even got a new bag. And it say, ladies, before you go out the house, before you go anywhere, before you even put your clothes on, before you do anything, may your foundation match your neck. That's the word of the day, okay? I want y'all to take this into consideration. Next time it's girls' night, next time it's your birthday, next time it's time to leave the house, go out and have a good time. Just want you to look to your neighbor and say, neighbor, is my foundation matching my neck? Everybody, all together, neck check. That's what we're gonna call it. Neck check. Check your neck. All right. All right, y'all. I'm done playing around. But on a serious note, y'all, check your neck. Check your neck, ladies. But that's all I wanted to say. Thank y'all for tuning in. I don't know, I might still give y'all some behind the scenes of the photo shoot, just depending on how everything goes. But thank y'all for tuning in. It was a like 2-day process, but I appreciate y'all watching the whole thing. But I am out. See y'all in the next video.